4 quarters, 4 webinars. In 2023, Smartproxy explored web scraping and multiple account management with the best experts in the field. Now let's enjoy the best moments and recall the valuable insights from how to manage multiple accounts without bans.
One account. Speaking about accounts, I'm very curious. How many accounts do your clients typically manage? What is the, let's say, craziest amount that you've seen so far?
The craziest amount I've seen is probably 6,000 or 7,000. Well, they don't all run at the same time, but the account that user has about 7,000 profiles.
7,000?
This is mostly, yes.
And
So,
typically,
yeah.
if we are speaking about big clients like that, what are the main challenges that they are facing? Speaking, let's say you are managing 5,000 or 7,000 accounts.
Yeah, I would say that two main challenges they're facing is probably account creation, because the modern social media don't just let you create so many accounts and then use them. They will just block it straight away. If you create even the second account, they will block it. So creating accounts for ads, not for personal use, but for ads, is a big challenge itself, because there are lots and lots of limitations for that. And social media is trying to actually prevent you from doing that, because they, let's say they earn less money when you do that, right? So the account creation and then the account survival is also the big challenge, because you need to actually provide an environment for these accounts to survive on your machine. So you need stable proxies, you need to watch what you're doing, you need to watch your settings. So you need to actually, well, apart from the software and proxies working, you need to make the platform believe you're a real user. And this is I would say this is an art in some way.
Want to see the full webinar? Register and watch it today.